Gonna open up, well, unpeel, I should say, one of these 3 Vending Machine series of cards that I've got. So first of all, I'll just show you them all close up. Which of them are chalk there? I'm showing it series 3 because it's got the 3 there. I know there's a few different series of Vending Machine cards. And you've got like the starter set, advertisement there, the 4 different booster packs you can get, a lot of Japanese text. So that's the back, and then the front is obviously the cards. You get 3 cards. I'm not too sure what that one is, but yep, I'll open this one. So I've never ever owned one of these before. I've only ever seen them on TV programs and in magazines, reading about them on the internet. So let's get this camera right. I'll start with the top right one. Right, that's what that is. I don't have a clue, to be honest, what it is. I don't know. And then the 3 cards. Our first one is a Machoke. This is the first time I've ever seen them like in the flesh. Ooh, Haunter. The artwork's pretty crazy on these as well, and super glossy. And the last one is a Groveler. So out of them, I got 2 commons and an uncommon, and then that's the sheet. And I might as well open another one. I mean, for all I know, oh, this is a different back and cover. That one is another Machoke. Shows a Machoke, Omanite, and Kadabra on the back. But this one here shows a Magmarvel Pix and a Weezing. So I'll open that one. Maybe that one's the same, I don't know. So let's have a look. Ooh, Pidgeotto. Looks nice. Ponyta. You can see the shine and the gloss. And last but not least is a Growlithe. Pretty nice, pretty decent set. So I got these for like $1, 10 cents each. Oh, I've got one thing left to peel off. Which is that? No idea what it is. So I've got 1 sheet left, which I'll probably just keep sealed for now. I think there's rares in this set. I would assume there is, but I've not pulled any there. Just commons and uncommon cards. If anybody knows more about the Vending Machine series than me, then just let me know what these cards are here. And like I said, I'm showing it's set 3, but I can't be too certain. I'll check with the checklist. I might end up trying to complete the entire sets. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'm not lame. Oh.